One of the most powerful functions in AdaptableBlotter.JS is Audit, which allows you to see everything that's changed in your blotter at any time. You can see who changed it, what the change was, and when it was changed. So let's start off with a really basic example. In fact, we'll just first turn on flashing for bid offer spread. And we're going to change it from 0.6 to 0.9, a very simple change. There it is. Now, every change that's made is streamed as a JSON object to an HTTP channel, and you can use your preferred reporting software to listen to this stream and create your own reports, alerts, and even data playback. In the example we're showing you now, we're using the Elastic Stack, but you can use any reporting software you want. If you want to use Elastic Stack, we can help you. And if we were to refresh the audit, we can see that a cell edit was made, the data changed from 0.6 to 0.9 on the bid offer spread column. That's the unique column, that's the user, that's the name of the grid. So that's a very simple change. But not only do we track data changes, we actually track everything that happens in a blotter, every mouse click, every configuration, every popper. So let me give you a more useful, perhaps realistic example. Let's imagine that the head of the desk has decided it's a particularly volatile time. So he wants to make sure that if the bid offer spread goes above 0.8, a warning is shown to the user. So what we're saying is only allow edits where the new value is less than 0.8, otherwise show a warning. We don't need any query, and that's it. Bid offer spread will show a warning if the new value is not less than 0.8. So now let me change this from 0.45 to 0.6. Not a problem, it was inside the validation. But if I change this one from 0.3 to 0.9, I now get a warning because the bid offer spread is not less than 0.8. I can bypass the rule, so there we are, I've bypassed it and it's hit 9. But now if at the end of the day someone says, oh, hold on, how did we end up with 0.9 given our rule? We can go back into our audit software, in this case Cabana, and we can see everything that's happened. So we're able to see that there was a state change, we're able to see that there was a confirmation popper, i.e. the user was told that cell validation has failed, he was told why it's failed, he was told what the rule is, and we can see that he decided to go ahead with the change anyway. And obviously we still have the change itself. You can see the cell edit from 0.3 to 0.9. And you can audit anything you want. You can write any report. So you can write a report about a particular user, about a particular column. You can see everything anyone's done. And you can imagine if you're working in support and you get a call, this would be your first thing to look at. You can see everything the user's done. And the chances are you can fix the problem or at least diagnose the problem without even needing to go to his desk. It's very simple to create audit. There's almost nothing you need to do. Essentially, there's one property called enable auto log, audit log. You set it to true when you create your instance of the blotter, and that's everything you have to do. So that's audit, very, very powerful function, and we think one which adds huge value, particularly nowadays when you've got things like MiFID. Obviously, this cannot replace your MiFID efforts, but it does act as an incredibly powerful first line of defense. If you want to find out more about this function or any others, please feel free to visit our website to find out about the Adaptable Blotter at adaptabletools.com. Hope you've enjoyed watching, and thank you very much.